Hi guys, welcome to Healthspectra.com. 12 personal development goals you need to know about. Do you have goals in life that you want to excel in? Chances are that your personal development goals need a little bit of polishing. The primary reason why that is because many people aren't even aware of what they want in the first place. What are personal development goals? When it comes to explaining what the personal development goals mean, it defines the list of things that you want to achieve in life for your overall growth and development. What are some of the best personal development goals? Coming round to explaining the possibilities, there are several personal development goals that one can opt for. Some of them are going to be listed in this video itself. Start working on your confidence. The very first and possibly the most important one of the goals is to work on your confidence. If you have poor confidence, chances are that the same will end up affecting your overall growth. Treat people with kindness. The more you give out to the world, the more is going to come back to you. This is the reason why it is important to be kind to the people around you. It doesn't take much but can bring a lot of change. Become a better listener. This might not seem like a good enough option around for your self-development, but trust us, the impacts of it, in the long run, are quite amazing. You get to improve your take toward empathy. Start loving yourself. Another amazing addition has to be to love yourself. This helps assess better growth for you, and also helps you grow as a human being, which is a necessity above anything else. Become a morning person. Another one of the goals to add to the list is to become a morning person. Once you start waking up early, it does become a lot easier for you to handle the consequences associated with it. Work on your body language. If you are someone who constantly gets misunderstood because of your body language, it is high time that you bring forth changes to your lifestyle. Focus on improving your body language first. Start with a healthy diet. Next on the agenda is to focus on your diet and find better alternatives that complement your health well. The last thing you want is to end up struggling with your health because of your diet. Manage your stress. Last but not least is to focus on managing your stress. It might not seem like a lot, but handling your stress properly can help manage a lot of your shortcomings. Make sure to find constructive ways. Join our WhatsApp subscription for the latest health articles delivered right to your mobile devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep yourself updated.